Next, parents. You have a strong benchmark to go by because everyone is less than 7 minutes.
Good evening, everyone. So I'm going to practice the three of us today. So we're representing the entire parent community. Okay. So what we really did, very interestingly, is that we decided for our children as parents to our children, but what else can we do for the community at large? So, for example, for me, I was very, very moved by the presentation Sumit made about sustainability, and it's something that's been playing on my mind for a while. So, the action that I want to take is to create an opportunity and an environment for my children to create a sustainable future for themselves. So what can I do with my children for them to understand that they need to, create a sustainable environment for themselves? It's something I'm going to be working with them towards. And as as a community, parent community, in Bombay, it's really difficult to get admissions in schools. So the parents are a very fearful lot. So there are a whole lot of suggestions that, so parents will keep cribbing about things not going right in school, and some of them are very valid suggestions, but nobody really takes the initiative of going to the school and talking to the management about it, So that's what I want to do. I want to mobilize the parent community in my, at the school my children go to, and put together the suggestions that we want to make, and actually, instead of just bitching behind the back, just actually go up to the school and make those suggestions. So that's what I would like to do.
Hello everyone. As we have discussed about the education since yesterday, I would like to just say only a couple of words. Let's try to help in some way to the community. Maybe the poor children where the parents are not able to educate at all. Let's support financially or morally. But let's try to give the push to the society where you stay. Start building from your society itself. In that way, we are building the community, and at large, we are giving the education to each and every child. It is to one child if you are giving an education support, that's done for all. Thank you so much.
Hi, good evening. My name is Preeti Vyas, and so going with Sumit's keynote where the 5 beyonds. So I make a commitment to, as a parent for my child, create an environment at home and beyond home where she will experience, where she has a continuous experiential learning. So for that, I make a commitment that once a month we will go for a nature trip. That could be a day trip, a half-day trip. And second, one trip to the museum or to an art exhibition where rather than just going to the malls and to the movies. So this is a commitment that I make to my daughter Manya, and to the society. My daughter's nanny, she's 28 years old, but she's only done her education up to the 4th grade, and so I would be enrolling her into NIOS, and Nitya is going to help me out with NIOS and get her to at least do graduation or higher, whatever she does. So if this girl studies, because she's the kind of head of the family, the younger generation would definitely have a chance to go to school, study. So like Sumit says, one child studying means one generation successful. So thank you very much. And one more thing, as a lead parent group, we've committed that we will call every month amongst each other to make sure that we're sticking to our commitment. And so for that, we will be in touch on emails, and be the change that we want to see. Thank you.